Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me. Let's learn Dawn Angel Rock You. 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts, a 16 count introduction, and there's a second introduction the choreographers call the second introduction, and it's 16 counts, and you're a part of it. So here's what it looks like. It's often divided into 3 different groups, or 2 groups, or 1 group can do it all. This is the second introduction. Starts with your right foot. It's stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap. So it's stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap. That's it. And the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4. If there are 3 groups, the second group would do 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The third group would do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then everybody would do 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's it. It only happens once. So here's a preview of the 32 steps, starting with run, run forward. Run, run, slow, hitch. Run, run, slow, hitch. Mambo forward, right. Left lock, step back. Right mambo, half turn over your left shoulder. Sweep, behind, side, cross. Rock and front and side, quarter hitch. Stomp, stomp, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap. Cross, side, behind and snap. Side in front, side and snap. Right sailor, step. Left behind, side, forward, right, forward, half turn. Left heel, right heel, coaster, step. Let's break it down. First 8, start with the run, run forward and the run, run forward. Mambo and a lock step. 5, 6, 7 with your right foot. Run, run, slow, hitch. Run, run, slow, hitch. Right mambo, left lock, get back. Perfect. And the counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Second 8. Just finished our lock step. Right foot's free. Mambo, back half turn over your left shoulder, behind, side, cross, rock and cross, rock and cross, and behind, quarter to your left, facing 3 o'clock, and a hitch with the right and a slap. One more time. 5, 6, 7 with a mambo half turn. Mambo, half turn and sweep. Behind, side, cross, rock and front and side turn, hitch. And the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's put those 2 together from the top with the run, run, slow hitch. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we run, run, slow, hitch. Run, run, slow, hitch. Mambo, forward, lock, step, back. Mambo, turn and sweep, behind, side, cross, rock and cross, and behind and hitch. Third 8, we just did our hitch. We're going to do a quarter turn over our left shoulder and do that step that we did in the very first introduction, the stomp, stomp, clap. We're going to do it twice. So we're here, we step a quarter to our left, facing 12 o'clock, stomp, stomp, clap, another quarter over our left to face 9 o'clock, stomp, stomp, clap. Then we do front, a weave, side, on the behind you snap at the same time, and then side, cross in front, side and snap. So we just did our hitch. So we do stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, weave, front, side, behind, and snap, side, front, side, and snap. And the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And you end with all your weight on your left foot. Last 8. Fourth 8. Sailor step with your right behind. Sailor step. Behind, side, forward, left. Behind, side, forward. Now we're going to do a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping right. Step forward, right. Left foot's free to do a heel quarter turn, and then a right heel quarter turn, and then a left coaster step. So it looks like this. The last 8, starting with the sailor. Right sailor step, behind, side, forward, left, right, forward, right, left heel, left coaster step. And if the heels are a little hard to master at first, you can bounce. This is what you do. Sailor step, behind step, forward, forward, bounce, bounce, left coaster step. That's it. Let's put the last 2 together. 16 through 32. We just did our hitch. We do turn in a quarter, stomp, stomp, clap, turn a quarter, stomp, stomp, clap, weave, front, side, behind, snap, side, front, side, snap, sailor step, side, behind, forward, forward, heel, heel, coaster step. Let's put it all together. 32 steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we run, run slow. Hitch, run, run slow. Hitch mambo forward, lock step back, behind. Mambo, turn and sweep, weave to the right, rock and front and side, turn, hitch, turn and turn. Weave, front, side, snap, side, front, snap, sailor step, behind, side, forward, forward, heel, heel, coaster step. That's it. Then this is your new wall. Let's do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's it. One more wall. Wall 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we run, run slow. Hitch, run, run slow. Hitch, mambo, forward, lock, step, back. Mambo, half turn, weave, rock and cross, rock, weave, and behind, turn, hitch. Stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap. Front, side, snap, side, front, snap. Sailor, right. Behind, side, forward, forward, heel, heel, coaster step. That's it. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Bye.